Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today, Sam Pal 20 is super proud to present Saus Panameño, so let's begin. So for our Saus Panameño, we're going to start off by adding 5 pounds of pork feet into our pressure cooker. We're going to fill it up completely with water, making sure it's submerged, and we're going to add 1 garlic head. We're going to cook this for about an hour in the pressure cooker, and once it's done, then we're going to let it cool off completely. So while our pork feet are cooling off, we're now going to be making the delicious vinegar juice. So we're going to thinly slice 2 cucumbers and 2 medium-sized onions. They can be any color. We're going to add this to a big bowl, and we're also going to add salt, oregano, black pepper, and hot sauce. We're going to finish this off by adding the white vinegar and a cup of the pork feet juice. Last but not least, we're going to incorporate the pig feet, and we're going to mix this very well, and we're going to allow this to marinate for a couple of hours. And voila, after a couple of hours of marinating in its delicious juices, we have our Saus Panameño. I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.pal20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye.